Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Install It Right. In today's video, we will learn how to install Pycharm and run your first Python program. So before we begin, make sure Python is installed on your system. I have already made a video on how to install Python. You can check the link in the description or click the I button above. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open your web browser and type Pycharm and press enter. Now you will see the official website, that is jetbrains.com. Click on it. Now click on the download button. Now you will see the Pycharm unified product. This one is completely free. After that, click on download button. The download will start automatically and wait for a moment while it download. Now click on the setup file you just downloaded and wait for a moment. The Pycharm setup wizard will open on your screen. Here you will see a welcome message. Click on next to continue. Now choose your installation folder. If you are not sure, keep it at default. Now click on the create desktop shortcut and click next. Now click on the install. The installation process has started. When the installation finishes, click finish. After the installation is finished, you will see the Pycharm icon on your desktop. Double click the Pycharm icon to open it. Now the Pycharm user agreement windows will appear. Just tick this checkbox. I have already done it. Then click continue. Now you will see the data sharing. Click on don't send. Now you can see the welcome to Pycharm screen. Here we get several options like new project, new notebook, new script, open, clone repository. And on the left side you will see the four sections: project, customize, plugins, learn. We want to create a Python project, so we will click on new project. After clicking new project, on the left side make sure Python is selected. In the project location you can give a name, and below you will see Python interpreter. If Python interpreter already installed on your PC, it will automatically detect. Now click on create. Pycharm will set up the project file. Once the project opens, on the left side Python panel, right click on your project folder, go to new and click on Python file. Type a name, for example hello, and press enter. Pycharm will open a new file named hello.py. Inside the file, type print to print anything. This is the simplest Python program to check if everything is working correctly or not. Now to run the code, just right click anywhere inside the file and click on run hello, or you can also click on the small green play button in the top. You will see the output at the bottom, that is hello from install it right. This means Python and Pycharm are working perfectly. So that's how you can download, install and set up Pycharm on your Windows system and run your first Python program without any confusion. If you face any error or get stuck any step, just comment below. I will definitely try to help you out. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Install it right for more simple and clear installation guide. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.